if the magnitude of sum of the two vectors is equal to the magnitude of difference of the two vectors, the angle between these vectors is, okay. The magnitude of the sum of the two vectors, I am going to write this one as magnitude vector A plus vector B is equal to magnitude of vector A minus vector B. Okay. And this one we can write it is under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta is equal to under root of A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. Then if both are equal, then I can cancel this root. Then this becomes A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. Then we can cancel A square, B square, B square minus 2AB cos theta will come to the LHS. This becomes 4AB cos theta is equal to 0. That implies cos theta is equal to 0. When? That means when theta is equal to 90 degree, this is possible. So option B is the right answer.